Okay, let's look at matinee, memorandum, or memorandum, and meteorology. So matinee, noun, an afternoon performance, something happening in the evening. When is the matinee? When is the party? When is it? When is it going to start? And memorandum, noun, a written message. When did you send the memorandum? So let's say in an office, in an office, for example, someone will send out a memorandum or a memo, so people can get a specific message and know what is happening. A memo, memorandum. How cool is that? No, happening. What's going on here? Yeah, very good. Yeah, a message, a written message, useful. Now, meteorology, noun, the study of the atmosphere and weather. The atmosphere and weather, the clouds, the skies, the weather. So today, what day is it today? 19th? I'm not sure. 19th of May. So today is 19th of May, 2021. It is sunny outside. Sunny. With few clouds. So he wants to study meteorology to know what all this means. How do you get the weather like this? How does it affect people? How does it affect society? What happens? It's sunny, and then what happens? Beyond the psychology of the weather, who knows? People get more miserable in January. The third Monday of January, the Monday blues, Blue Monday, all that stuff. So the study of the atmosphere in terms of the pressure or the precipitation, pressure, humidity, or the rain. Oh, there's load, no doubt. Pressure, beyond, yeah. The weight, probably even the sea waves and the currents, storms, and beyond. How cool is that? So, matinee, memorandum, meteorology. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.